Everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at ADHI Schools. Welcome to your real estate tip of the week. Remember, in California, we no longer use mortgages in California as the security instrument. If a borrower is getting a home loan, the lender will make them a trust deed loan, not a mortgage loan, mainly because mortgages still require judicial foreclosure. So if a lender made a borrower a mortgage loan, that lender would actually have to take that borrower to court in order to foreclose. Instead, we use trust deed loans in California. Trust deeds allow a lender to initiate foreclosure on a borrower without actually requiring a court process. So I know we say mortgages all the time, what's your mortgage payment? I refinance my mortgage. We say mortgage, but in reality, the security instrument is actually a deed of trust, mainly because it allows a lender to foreclose on a borrower without actually taking them to court.